So if you're struggling with research overload, I'm going to show you how you can use Moonshot AI's Kimi Research Agent, which is an autonomous tool that executes about 23 plus reasoning steps, scans n number of web pages, and delivers a perfectly structured report with citation. And if you don't believe me, this is an example that I created using Kimi AI, which has excellent details. And this is not even the best part. Stick around till the end to know an additional feature that Kimi AI provides. So let's get started. Go to kimi.com and make sure that you're logged in. And now from the sidebar, select the researchers option. Here, all you have to do is enter the topic that you want to research about. So I'm going to add this topic, which is impact of AI agents in scientific discovery in 2026. And all you have to do is hit this send button. Then the agent will start asking you specific questions about your research, like what are your interests, what field should they specifically focus on, etc. So you can go ahead and answer these simple questions to customize your report. So this is the response that I sent AI, and it is starting the research process, and it will take some time, so you can go ahead do other work as well. It will work on in background. So our response is now generated, and here you can see all the searches that the Kimi AI made to get the result for our research. And finally it came up with a report which you can download by this download button over here, or you can copy it. Now coming to the surprise that I was talking about, the Kimi AI generates an interactive report along with our normal report. So if you preview this, you'll see an interactive report which talks about the topic that you're researching about, and it does have like all this text. And what makes it unique is that it has interactive designing and citations as well. So it isn't like your normal words only report. It has visual details as well, which makes you want to actually read this report. It has different cards with all sorts of information to give better analytics, etc. Now if you see, you won't find a way to download this interactive report, but you do have the code for this, which can be accessed through this button right here. And if you see, you'll have this HTML code, so just copy it and then you can open any editor of your choice. I'm using VS Code, where you can create a new file and make an HTML file and name it whatever you want. Like I'm going to call it report AI, and then all you have to do is paste your code right here, save your file, and now if you go to your file's location, you can simply open it right onto your browser, and just like that you have the interactive report as well. So that was how you can use Kimi AI to get researches within a few minutes and also get a bonus interactive research report with it. So comment down below what topic are you researching on.